I'm Chitra Sethi, Managing Editor of ASME.org, with Jason Lopes, the lead systems engineer with Legacy Effects, a special effects studio that has helped create some of the biggest Hollywood blockbusters of all time, including Avatar, Iron Man, Life of Pi, amongst other successful TV and film productions. Jason, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
We have been using 3D printing to assist in the production of some stunning visual effects. Which has been your favorite project?
I guess what really brings it home is what we've done special for Iron Man film, the franchise, through Marvel Studios. Building that suit for the first time in SLA and Polyjet and having it all come together, I still think about it every day.
Do you find additive being more cost-effective as compared to other technologies?
Entertainment is an interesting model. So the cost savings for us is can we get stuff done on our deadlines, which are pretty crazy deadlines? Can we handle the changes? We did everything by hand before we did everything additive. So just something as simple as symmetry wasn't possible before. Now we can work on the left, mirror to the right. We can develop changes at any pace when they're asked for, and we can meet clients' expectations, which working by hand in our traditional tools takes a lot longer to do that and to show results.
Do you think this technology is helping bring out the creative side of engineers?
I think it's enabling. I think it's allowing people to think outside the box, because if you think about it in my business model, each thing is drastically different. There's no off-the-shelf items to help these engineers to figure out servo mounting, Arduino board mounting, all the electronics. So we have to, draft that up from scratch, which we used to do that in metal before, we used to do that in other ways. Now we essentially have a digital library of past, present, and future possibilities. And now we can literally go through iterations like this that allows them not to just satisfy to meet the deadline. It's like, how can I do it better because I have this time now?
As 3D printing continues to disrupt several industries, do you see it impacting the daily lives of the common man?
There is no barrier anymore. Everyone, their idea from concept up here can just come out and there's no stopping it.
Thank you so much, Jason.
Thank you for having me.